Now, I see a lot of people comparing Jumia Technologies, ticker symbol JMIA, to Amazon. Could this be the next Amazon? Well, I'm going to go ahead right off the bat and say, no, it's probably not going to be the next Amazon, right? Amazon is one of the biggest companies in the entire world, and Jumia Technologies has a revenue somewhere around $150 million a year. So, with that being said, can it still be an excellent investment? Can you make a lot of money with Jumia Technologies in 2021? Absolutely. So let's go ahead and kind of talk a little bit about what this company does and where they could go in the future, and just kind of break it down and whether or not this is something we should add to our portfolios in 2021. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together, and we're going to grow together. Now, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click the like button, and if the subscribe button is still red, I don't know why, make sure to click the subscribe button, join the channel, and become a bro. So Jumia Technologies, ticker symbol JMIA. It was trading around $2 per share back in March of 2020, and it's now all the way up to $43 per share. So this stock has 20x'd in the last year alone. Is this something we should add to our portfolios, or is it way overpriced? So first, let's take a look at a little bit about what they do and where they can go as a company. So they're an e-commerce platform that provides business opportunities for all of Africa. So they're based in Africa, and I think they have somewhere around 100,000 local businesses that are using their platform to sell products across their region and across their territory. This is excellent news, right? They're really making moves and allowing local communities, local businesses to soar, just like companies like eBay, like Amazon, like these e-commerce platforms that we see. And this could be an excellent opportunity not only to grow and expand for themselves, but to really help out local and small businesses in Africa. So from that standpoint, yes, this could be an amazing company. It could help a lot of people and really help that area prosper. Now, comparing it to Amazon. Obviously, Amazon started out too, and they grew and grew and grew. But if we just strictly look at where the company is right now and where Amazon's at, in my opinion, we can't really compare the two companies yet. They do very similar things, yes, but Amazon is a dominating force, and this company's just starting out, so I think it's kind of dangerous to say that this could be the next Amazon, but let's just say they're in a very similar space, okay? So with that being said, we look at the stock price. The stock price was trading around $2 per share a year ago, and now it's all the way up to $40 per share. So if we take the graph out as far back as it goes, we can see that Jumia, JMIA is the ticker, IPO'd, I think it was somewhere around $20 to $25 per share, and then guess what happened? It dropped all the way down to $2 per share before it finally found a floor, and now it's started to move higher and higher and higher, which is a good sign, okay? IPOs, they're the price that the company finds, and then investors, the market determines what the company's worth, and this hasn't been a 1 month price move. This is a sustained 1 year move, and we've seen a nice, steady bottom left to upper right equity curve on this graph. We've seen this company grow nice and steadily over the last year. Now, when I say steady, a 20x move over a year's period, that's a big move, right? Tesla over the last year moved up about 10x. So a 20x move in Jumia is a huge move for 1 year. So keep that in mind. There could be a lot of profit taking in the future. A lot of people might want to be getting out now. They said, wow, this stock has made me a fortune. I'm rich. I can retire off my 20x gain. And they might be moving on to different things. But can we still get into this price? Is this too expensive for us? I'm going to go ahead and say no. This is not too expensive. Why? Because if we take a look at the 1 year equity curve, it's broken through all resistance. There's no resistance left on the graph. The stock is moving bottom left to upper right. We see that nice smooth equity curve. And what kind of stocks do we want to buy? We want to buy stocks that are rising, right? We don't want to buy stocks that are falling. And guess what Jumia is doing? It is rising, okay? There's nothing holding it back right now. And let's talk about growth opportunities. You know, the United States is a very saturated market. Obviously, there's much buying power in the United States. It's almost like money is endless here. If people need more money, what does the government do? The government prints more money, right? Now, if we're talking about areas like Africa, the growth potential is huge. It might not necessarily be there right now, but what happens when innovation starts to take place? What happens when you give these people an opportunity to do business exactly like Jumia is doing? So think about that for a second. We might not be where we want to be right now, but the potential is exponential, okay? We can't just say that it was a 20x increase and now they're done. No, it's almost like they're just getting started. So if we're going to be playing Jumia, if we're going to be investing in this one, I don't think that this is necessarily going to be a day trade. I think that this stock and this company should be an investment that we look towards the future for. So could we see all of our gains that we're going to be okay with just in 2021 alone? I'm going to say no, all right? This is a long-term investment, and I think that it has exponential and it just increasing potential over the near future and the far future as well. So think about that before you go ahead and pull the trigger on it. But if we're thinking about getting into it, we want to see the stock rising before we buy it. We want to wait until around 10:30 in the morning. That's about 30 minutes to an hour after the market opens before we go ahead, and we need to see that follow through before we add it to our portfolios. With all that being said, guys, if you like the content on this channel, please don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, you got one more chance. Go ahead, click the subscribe button, join the channel, become a bro, and let's grow together. Now, until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.